hope you support my vlog. So this video is about to transform your old polo to the corset dress. So I'm here to share my little knowledge on how to transform your old polo, DIY polo transformation. So hope you guys enjoy and learn about this video, and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel and click notification bell to more updates of my new videos to upload. So hope you guys, bye. That is my old polo. I cut in into the tree, the upper and the belts, the center and the lower part for later, and I decided to mark it with 1 to 6. So first join the 2 and 3 and 1, and join the 4, 5 and 6. After that you have to stitch it at least 0.5 cm in each join. Attach 1, 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6. And do this to the other part, the left side. Repeat this procedure from the right side. Attach the back part to front and top it at 0.5, and I also make underset of that for the lining. So I attach the lining to front. After that you should top stitch it around from the front to around to back, the upper part 0.5 again. So I top stitch the back part, and I decided to run a running stitch to the upper part of the lower to make it sharing, and attach it to the upper part. So attach first the garter. I length 13 inches. I sandwich the upper part to lower part, so I can have a clean finish, because I don't have an edging machine. Top stitch it's 0.5 cm. Assemble the belt